All right, so I just picked up this Chicago Electric 12-inch double bevel sliding compound saw from Harbor Freight. Just unboxed it. The blade comes separately, so bought a blade with it also at Harbor Freight. So I'm just putting it all together now and seeing how everything works on it. I'm going to put it through its paces later today. I did buy the 2-year warranty. Just being a Chicago Electric tool, you never know. I think it was 30 something bucks. But anyways, we're going to put it through its paces, see how it does. So far, unboxing it was really easy, so we're going to move on and put the blade in, and then I'll let you guys know how she holds up over the course of a lot of usage. Alright, so there she is. This one has the laser guide system. Haven't figured it out yet how that works, or if it takes batteries or anything, so I'm gonna just experiment, see how everything works, and start using it.